Hi guys, another episode here for the Low Sodium Queen, and before I was told that I was cute, and so thank you, Sister Evelyn. I did put my hair up. So today we're making steak quesadillas, and we had that planned on the Instagram. It's what came in second place. So steak quesadillas, all ingredients will be below, and like always in the description, I'm going to show you how to cook it. Using the low sodium tortillas that I got from the Kroger's, and it's in the brand La Banderita. I'm not really sure, but here's how it looks and here's how it is. And one tortilla is 85 milligrams sodium. So, but we're still going to learn how to make our own just in case, and I'm pretty sure you can freeze tortillas. Not sure, gonna look into that. I already have my pan heated over here with some heat, and here's our steak pieces that I've been marinating in our spice blend overnight, and that's going to be in the description too. So here's what we're going to do. Go ahead and get started. You're going to need 2 frying pans, one to fry the vegetables and the meat in, and then one to put the tortillas and stuff like that in. So let's go ahead and get started. So I don't know if you can see me, but we put oil in the pan here. Just a little bit, some olive oil. Okay, you can't see me. I was being super nosy. Forgive me. And we're just going to take our meat here that we've been marinating in our spice blend. And the cilantro, if I can get it open out of the container. Dang, that's airtight. But here's how it looks. And this could probably make 2 quesadillas. Not really sure. So now we're just going to let that fry until it's done. Alright guys, so this is done now, and we're just going to put it in our little bowl. Go ahead and add a little bit, just a tad bit more oil to your food, to your pan, sorry. And add in your vegetables. I used bell pepper and sweet onion. In the quesadilla. And I've buttered one side of the quesadilla. Alright, these are done. Now we're going to come back over here. As you can see, I've layered cheese in the steak and everything like that. And now we're just going to layer our vegetables on here. And I have buttered with unsalted butter one side of the tortilla, and we're just going to lay that on there. Move it over here to the hot eye, and we're going to flatten it out as it cooks. Alright, so that's done guys, and we're going to take it over here to our cutting board. Let it sit there. We got a little piece of onion. We can add And that's how it looks. And that's your steak quesadilla. And we're just going to take a pizza cutter and cut it. And once I've done that, I'll show you how it looks and plate it. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. So see you soon. Here's how it looks when it is sliced. Right here. When it is cut up. And it has the vegetables and the cheese and everything like that in it. So we're going to go ahead and plate this. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for the next videos because I'm also going to be making some guacamole and salsa today. Two different videos. All low sodium. Alright guys, here is the food. I put some sour cream and a couple of limes next to it. But look how crispy and golden those quesadillas are. Isn't that delicious? And it's steak and cheese, unsalted butter. I use mozzarella and Swiss as the cheese, you guys. Ah, delicious. I hope you guys try it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, see you later.